Hi, Never Stop Trucking here. Today we are talking about FMCSA and their new proposed rule, and this is about electronic ID. So this identification chip, or whatever you might call it, would be installed in each of our trucks, and they are thinking about it, and they are also allowing us to publicly comment on a proposed rule like that and what we think. So make sure you go to that link. It's in the description of this video. Make sure you go to that link and tell them what you think about that. But basically this ID would be able to do a lot of things. It could give officers, and these officers could be standing on the side of the road, or they could be driving behind the truck, and they would be able to scan an ID on your truck or your plate, or whichever way they come up with, and this ID would tell them potentially a lot about the driver, all the permits, whether the truck has all the permits, everything about the truck, whether everything is functioning properly, maybe some check engine lights or anything, wrong with the truck, anything wrong with the driver, hours of service, if you have a violation. Very important thing is the safety rating of the company. So if they see someone with bad safety history, then they could maybe pick and choose, decide who to pull over for an inspection. They could even maybe potentially even give you a violation without even stopping you. So let me just tell you what it says here on their website. So FMCSA website says electronic ID technologies provide a means of identifying CMVs either parked or in motion. Some technologies are also capable of two-way communication of information. The technologies in use for identifying CMVC operating in the United States and its territories include license plate readers, wireless mobile data services. It says also here that FMCSA currently does not require CMVs to be equipped with a system capable of transmitting a unique electronic ID. So they are still trying to do it, and there are a lot of ways that this could be used or maybe even misused. So make sure you go to that link and tell them what you think. Also, please leave a comment here on this video what you think about this and where is this taking the trucking industry. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.